friends. It's Joelle. It's a new day. It's a new vlog. Welcome back. Oh, today I'm getting ready to have a very productive Saturday. Because why? Tonight we are seeing the queen bee herself, Beyonce, for her ending leg of the Renaissance tour. I'm so excited because of top like 3 artists that I want to see in concert, like for sure before I die. Right next to BTS, there's Beyonce. And I really almost didn't buy tickets because they're just so expensive. But I was like, you know what? Who knows when this is gonna happen again. Having a little bit of a girl breakfast. Just some leftover Korean melon, applesauce, and mellow. Why does it feel like I'm eating like baby food? Like most of these foods do not have structure. I'd say for the past my entire life, I've been very bad at doing my morning quiet time / devotionals on weekends. I don't know what it is. I feel like when I don't have my routine, this just goes out the window. Spending time with God in the morning is probably like the one thing I can do for myself to like set myself up for a good day. So it's kind of bad that it seems to be the first thing that disappears from my morning routine. Trying to fix that and make my mornings on weekends less chaotic. It's a few hours before the concert. I've just been working on my computer. Very chill Saturday, and I think I'm gonna try to film a get ready with me for TikTok. I'm so bad at filming get ready with me on TikTok, but I'm trying to get better. We'll see. This seems like a good time, right? If not to see Beyonce, then when? Okay, we just got ready. My room is a disaster, so don't look at it. This is what my face looks like for the concert. I'm using the Euphoria foundation that you can sleep in. It looks so good. And then I just did a little bit of a false lash, like the little outer ones that are individual, and I really like how it looks. This leather jacket I got vintage when I was in London. Truly one of the best purchases ever because it looks so good. And then this tank top is from Love Bonito. I just got it in the mail from them. I love it. I should have steamed it. These jeans are from Wrangler. And then I'm gonna wear these Jeffrey Campbell boots. We're ready, we're on our way. Paula's in Club Renaissance, right? I'm
a little better. I'm the Alien Superstar Risers. We're in VIP.
What does that even mean?
I don't really know.
I am in section 500, the nosebleeds. So if I look really far down, I can see where Paula is.
Getting ready for Beyonce.
You want to show us the fit?
Look
Ooh!
Beyonce asked for silver, and I'm gonna give her silver. I got my little
really
silver
did.
do-rag, silver shoes.
Ooh! Wow!
Silver surfer.
Yes. You got all the accessories going on here
Got a little
too.
rings. Got my little love bracelet.
That's
you
so
know,
cute.
My little shades. I'm ready to have a good time.
You're ready to have a good time.
Beyonce, get ready. I don't think you're ready for me.
Cheers,
Cheers, friends.
Not in the little mug.
You know.
I have to.
You do. She says, Joelle, get me eating this real quick. friends. It's Monday.
Hi.
It's a holiday today, so Sean and I don't have work. Not that Sean has work in general right now, but we decided to go to the beach. I've not gone to the beach once this entire summer, and I live in LA. I actually don't think I've gone since I moved here. It is very deeply unfortunate that we're about to start this hike and I need to pee. Got a little tiny baby hot Cheetos, sandwich choppers, potato chips versus hot Cheetos. What do we think? Another Saturday. I hope you're all doing well. I feel like I've been vlogging a lot more selectively these days just to really try to parse out like, okay, I just want to be present with these people and not stress and worry about documenting things, or I'm going to document something a little more thoroughly and be intentional about it. So I hope y'all don't mind. Hope you enjoy the vlogs still, even in their more limited cadence. Another fun update is that I am obviously growing my hair out. I feel like I had it short like this for so long, and I like just growing it out, letting it get long, and then chopping it all off again. It's very cathartic, but I decided to not continue touching up and dyeing my little blonde parts, so I'm not sure what color I want to do next, or if I want to do anything fun to my hair. I was thinking about having natural hair color but getting a perm, like a wolf cut or something. Don't know if that'd be crazy, don't know if that'd look good on me. It also sounds very high maintenance, but I'm thinking about it. If you have any hairstyle suggestions that you've seen lately and liked, let me know. I also like stupidly feel very attached to this hair because it's the style I've had ever since moving to LA and ever since like growing more on social media. So I've had a lot of people be like, oh, I saw your hair and immediately knew it was you, like from either going from online to in person or whatever. So it feels very like characteristic, but it also, I realize, is very silly that I am so much more than my hair. I should not worry that if I change my hair, people won't recognize me. Like, how insane of a sentence even is that? Pretty good.
Yeah?
Yeah.
I'll have some later.
Hate to say it. Okay, this is my makeup for Angela's birthday party, and always do this before a birthday party, but I forget to write my friend's card. So I need to do that really quick. I got this from OK. It's a Japanese home goods gift store. I thought it was really funny. That's crazy.
Was that too loud?
Ribbit.
It's ruining my video.
with Ann Banan at Runyon, hoping that it clears up.
Sunny.
So sunny for this sunrise hike.
Dark hike.
This is the perfect hike though. I'm happy to be here.
It's so easy breezy.
Yeah. Hi. Oh my gosh, hi.